everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Few clicks equals launch your own online AI Live University, with 20 plus high-tech professors and AI-powered courses. And charge them any amount you want in monthly fees. Never seen before AI Live University Builder app. 20 plus ready-to-teach AI professors instantly deliver AI Live classes in math, physics, chemistry, coding and more, all done for you and 100% automated. AI Live professors for 20 plus subjects, covering academics, tech, business, languages, and wellness. Smart student management system, track student progress, issue certificates and provide AI personalized feedback. AI-powered Q&A and adaptive tutoring, instant help for every student, available 24/7 through built-in AI guidance. Run AI-powered exams, quizzes and auto-grading, assess, grade and evaluate with zero manual effort. Monetize your university with AI-driven subscription model and charge monthly subscriptions or one-time payments. Comprehensive AI academic curriculum, deliver done-for-you live classes in math, physics, biology, chemistry, history, geography, English, economics and political science, all powered by AI. AI-powered tech and coding courses, instantly teach high-demand skills like AI, machine learning, web dev, Python, JavaScript and more. Creative and skills-based learning, empower students with courses in art, music, graphic design, photography, and video editing. Business and finance education, teach high-income skills like marketing, entrepreneurship, stock trading, personal finance, and crypto investing. Health and wellness training, provide learning on psychology, yoga, meditation, nutrition, and personal development. Multi-language learning, instantly offer AI-led classes in English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Mandarin and more. Teach students worldwide without barriers. Smart AI tracking and reports, monitor student progress, performance and engagement in real time with powerful built-in analytics. Seamlessly integrate with YouTube, Google, and social media for free traffic. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included, create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Activate AI professors, live classes, Q&A sessions and automated student enrollments, everything hands-free. Go live with your AI university and start welcoming students worldwide, instantly with AI Live University Builder app. Start your own Live University in any language and launch full AI-powered universities in just seconds with AI Live University Builder. That comes along with creating AI Live Universities while blocking your path and hampering your business sales and growth. Crafting AI Live teachers requires fluent speaking skills and expertise. Crafting AI Live teachers on your own requires technical skills and expertise. This is not any child's play. Monetizing online AI Live University is very tough. This is the most difficult part. Monetizing your live university in different languages and niches is very tough. So, with all these challenges and difficulties, there is no doubt why most of the marketers and business owners give up while burning their pockets in the process. In today's fast-moving, Tech-first world, the demand for AI-powered universities is exploding, especially with industry leaders like Elon Musk championing AI-driven learning across the globe. With the rise of AI, live universities, entrepreneurs, educators, and creators are racing to automate education, engage students worldwide, and booming $400 plus e-learning space. This is your golden window to launch your own AI Live University. A fully automated education platform that offers live classes, 20 plus AI professors, and real-time learning in any subject or language. Whether you're targeting students, professionals, or global institutions, this platform helps you serve them all, while filling your pocket on autopilot. So if you're ready to ride the biggest education tech wave of our time, start building and selling AI-powered universities today with AI Live University Dash. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.